This is Car Guys New England, your YouTube channel for anything automotive.
You bad, cause it's bit bad. She want me the bag, like chips at the front. This fuck, I'm fly like a pelic in my bed. I like get my way, hella quick. They get to the pop up on the elephant cut. My trunk, yeah, it's in the front. Of course, it's in the back. This a big, this a real big difference. You just want a club. I just need them racks. You just want a party, so I just want to rock.
This is Jay with Car Guys New England, and today's video is just a quick update. Been doing some stuff on the town car. As you can see, it's absolutely freezing out. The car's covered in salt, but I do have some interesting stuff going on, so I'll go over that with you guys. So I'm still working on the interior conversion for my car, adding in more black pieces, and luckily I actually found some black door panels that I'm working on. And I also picked up a carbon kit. Wait until you guys see this. This is absolutely awesome. I can't believe a manufacturer makes this. So I'm going to show you guys that, and then I'll show you what else I have going on with the town car.
So here's something I just wanted to share with you guys. So they make dash kits, and this is a 2D dash kit that I got on Car ID. But there's an actual option to get real carbon fiber. So I actually went with that for the town car. And I'll be replacing the old dash kit that I had, which was in matching wood. But this thing comes with everything, and it's 3M adhesive backed. But again, it's real carbon fiber in these pieces, so it's pretty cool. Here's everything included in the kit. So you can see it has parts for the doors, the dash, center console, if you still have the factory radios. It has those pieces as well, the clock, the airbag side of the dash, the other doors. So yeah, this is pretty cool in carbon fiber. And so I'm going to put the link in the description so you guys can find this kit. But it's definitely of very high quality. We'll see how durable it is. That's the one thing I'm curious about. But that is real carbon. It's an additional option for your for these 2D kits. And the thing is, you're going to have to put a later model in the car ID thing to be able to find this, and it's a little tricky. But you know, it is out there. It is available for sale. It exists, and it's pretty badass. So here are the rear door panels that I managed to pick up, and they're in pretty good shape. I got to clean them up a little bit more, but you can see I've already started installing the carbon stuff. And then these are normally wood, but I actually wrap these, so all of the old wood in the car is going to be carbon. So it's going to look absolutely badass. So in order to wrap these actual panels, so these are riveted in from the factory on the back side. I actually had to take a drill and drill out, I don't know if we can see that here, drill out these rivets. And what I did was, there was enough to catch a screw, a short screw in here, and be able to catch the plastic, and then I put some epoxy on each of these screws to hold them in place. So that's working out pretty well on this, and yeah, that's pretty much how you do it. So here I have one of the front panels that I wrap. So you can see when you drill these things, there'll be a little bit of that left. So you need a really short screw that's going to be able to catch that. And then just to put a little epoxy in this area, a little there, and a little in the actual screw holes. Put the screws in, and then you can just attach this piece. And this is the secret to wrapping a piece nicely with the 7D carbon fiber vinyl. And then that's going to look great along with the pieces from that actual dash kit that I showed you guys previously. Here's one of the front doors. So you can see we got the carbon piece here, real carbon. And then also this has been wrapped in, this is 7D carbon that I've wrapped that in. One thing I am going to have to do is reuse the inner door handle panel. from my existing door panels, because they do not manufacture any door panels with memory and the heated seats. So as many of you guys know out there, I'm a huge fan of anti-laser priority system. Unfortunately, though, the previous CPU that I had in the town car, I wasn't able to upgrade the firmware. So doing a little bit more digging, come to find out, I have hardware version 2 installed in the car, which they're not supporting anything older than 5 years old. Now, this system has done amazing for 5 years, but Tom over at ALP USA actually has a trade-in program where you can go on the website and you can trade in your old CPU, and basically you'll get the new hardware version 4 box, which you can tell it's, let me dig in here, it's almost exactly the same, except this one in the case is in a black case instead of a gray case or a light gray case, depending on which hardware version you have. So I'll be installing this into the car and then installing the new versions of firmware into it, so that'll keep my anti-laser priority system up to date, and I'm really excited about this. And I'm pretty sure that ALP will continue to support this for many years to come. So this is great. So, you know, if you have an older system, you can't upgrade it. Tom has some options available for you guys. And I'll also provide a link to the trade-in link on his website so you guys can get your system up to date.
And guys, hope you enjoyed this video. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to give the video a like. If you have questions or comments, be sure to comment down below. This is Jay with Car Guys New England. Until next time, take care.